Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Are you ready to elevate your home entertainment experience like never before? I'm here to give you the lowdown on the incredible Sony 65-inch Mini TV. First off, let's talk about brightness and contrast. Imagine a cinematic experience that brings the house down. Literally, that's what this TV delivers with its XR backlight master drive technology, which precisely controls thousands of mini LEDs to deliver authentic contrast and our brightest ever 4K TV. It's like having a personal lighting engineer at your fingertips. But it gets even better. With QLED technology and XR Triluminos Pro, you're accessing billions of real-world colors that will make your eyes pop. Think of it like stepping into a rainbow. Every scene is brought to life with vivid accuracy and depth. It's truly breathtaking. Now let's talk power. The XR processor is the brain behind this operation, intelligently enhancing every scene in real time to boost color, contrast, and clarity. That means you'll get a picture that's always on point, no matter what you're watching. It's like having your own personal cinematographer at home. And have you ever wished you could stream all your favorite apps into one place? Well, wish no more. The Sony 65-inch Mini TV comes with Google TV, which gives you access to Netflix, Prime Video, Disney+, YouTube, and many more. Plus, with AirPlay 2 and Chromecast built in, you can easily stream content from your devices. And if you've got a smart speaker at home, you can even use Google Assistant to search and ask questions. But what about movies? The Sony Pictures Core app, formerly Bravia Core, includes high bitrate, high-quality 4K UHD movies that are included with your purchase. You'll get 5 credits to redeem on latest release movies and 12-month subscription on hundreds of classics. It's like having the cinema at your fingertips. Now, let's talk about picture quality. The Sony 65-inch Mini TV boasts a studio-calibrated picture mode specifically designed for Netflix, Prime Video, and Sony Pictures Core. This means that every scene is crafted with care to deliver an experience just like it was intended by the creator. It's truly immersive. And don't even get me started on gaming. The Sony 65-inch Mini TV is perfect for PlayStation 5 owners, with features like Auto HDR tone mapping and Auto Genre Picture Mode. These settings optimize picture quality for gaming and streaming, ensuring that your PS5 experience is nothing short of phenomenal. But it's not just about the picture, it's also about the sound. With support for Dolby Vision and Atmos, IMAX Enhanced, and DTS::X, you'll be transported to a world of cinematic audio that will leave you speechless. It's like having your own personal theater at home. Finally, let's talk about the crystal clear picture. The XR Clear Image technology takes all your HD and digital content and brings back lost detail, revealing extraordinary depth and clarity in every scene. It's like stepping into a new dimension of viewing. So there you have it, the Sony 65-inch Mini TV is an absolute game-changer for home entertainment. With its incredible brightness and contrast, stunning colors, intelligent processing, and immersive sound, it's an investment that will elevate your viewing experience to new heights. Check out the link below to get the best price on this incredible TV. Note, the script should be approximately 483 words long and should take around 3 to 4 minutes to read aloud.